Natural calamities. Natural disasters or calamities are sudden events caused by environmental factors, such as earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, and wildfires, with devastating impacts on life, property, and the environment. Let's discuss a few natural calamities. First up, let's talk about earthquakes. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the ground caused by the movement of Earth's plates, often resulting in damage to buildings and landscapes. There are many ways for measuring intensity of earthquake. The shock waves produced in an earthquake are recorded using an instrument called a seismograph. It measures the intensity, direction, and duration of earthquakes. Richter scale is used for determining intensity of an earthquake from the recording made by a seismograph. The Richter scale starts from 1 and upward. Earthquakes of 1 magnitude are almost not felt, but those of 3 or 4 can be felt. Earthquakes of 8 or higher magnitude can cause massive damage. Effects of an earthquake. Earthquakes result in the destruction of life and property. Many buildings collapse or develop cracks. Roads and bridges also get damaged. All this happens so suddenly that people do not even get a chance to run out of their homes. They get buried under the debris. Electrical poles and trees are uprooted. Next, let's move on to volcanic eruptions. A volcanic eruption is an explosive event in which hot magma, ash, and gases escape from a volcano, often causing damage to the surrounding environment. Types of volcanoes. There are 3 types of volcanoes based on their activity: active, dormant, and extinct volcanoes. Active volcanoes are the volcanoes that have erupted in recent years or may erupt at any time. Many active volcanoes are found around the Pacific Ocean. Did you know? The only active volcano in India is the Barren Island volcano in the Andaman Islands. Some other famous active volcanoes are Mount Erebus in Antarctica, Mount Fuji in Japan, and Mount Vesuvius in Italy. Dormant volcanoes are volcanoes that have not erupted in recent years but may erupt in the future. Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania, and Nakondam, Andaman Islands, are examples of dormant volcanoes. Extinct volcanoes are the volcanoes that are not expected to erupt in the future. Zuidwal volcano, Netherlands, and the Emperor Seamount chain in the Pacific Ocean are examples of extinct volcanoes. Tidal waves. Let's talk about tidal waves, also known as tsunamis. In Japanese, tsunami means harbor waves. A tsunami is caused by an undersea earthquake, volcanic eruption, landslide, etc. Large amounts of seawater move at a great speed in tsunami. They may move as fast as 800 kilometers per hour. Tsunamis may rise as high as 15 meters. Tsunamis cause destruction to life and property. In 2004, an earthquake in the Indian Ocean caused a tsunami. A large number of people died in this disaster. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5th. Thank you.